logins, passwords, verification codes, captchas, OTPs, credit card details, bank details available pages, all are the sensible pages. That pages you must use the post only, otherwise your security khatam, your account breadu jame. Hmm? Hmm. Next, autocomplete equals to on or off. Autocomplete is on, sir. Suggestions are comes. If it is switched off, sir, suggestions not comes. Actually, this property I used on the form level. The main container tag I used. You have one more chance, sir. Suppose my form contains the three boxes. Two boxes I want allow suggestions. One box I don't want allow the suggestions. Three text boxes available. Two text boxes suggestions okay, but one box suggestions not okay. Would shift this attribute to the particular box because this is main tag, come parent tag, and all these are the subtags. The unofficial relationship, parent and child. So when you write any setting in the main tag, the effect is goes to all the subtags. So no box is providing the suggestions. No, sir, some boxes suggestions required, some boxes suggestions no need, sir. The autocomplete option right inside the input tag. Which input tag inside you place an autocomplete that not providing the suggestion. Remaining suggestions as usually continues. Your choice. So if you want to design application forms in online or websites, form tag mandatory. Okay, moving to the next explanation. So back to input tag, sir. Back to input tag. Before explaining small information, some technical reasons. Yesterday I'm not posted the notes. Today I'll post that one. Don't worry. Some technical reasons problem. Yesterday Google Classroom I'm not posted any notes. So yesterday is it. Today is it. Today I'll post it. If I'm not announced, I got a full questions coming on my sir. Not posted notes. Safety precautions. I'm some technical reasons I'm unable to post it, sir. Today I'll post the both things. So back to input. We already discussed 6 input elements. Sorry, one input tag is 6 items. Text box, password box, number box, reset button, submit button, image button. More input elements available that I am going to introducing. So what are that more input elements, sir? Most of the cases we use this check boxes, radio buttons. Tick symbol is comes. That one dot symbol is comes. That is called as the radio button. That two I'm introducing in this program. Both in the same program, sir. Check boxes and radio buttons. So one more input element. Nothing special. These are the one more input elements. Tomorrow's class now posted. Okay, sir, no problem. Tomorrow's class I'll post yesterday. That's not a problem. I'll post it yesterday. I'll post it. Yeah. తెలుగులో పరమానందయ్య శిష్యులు అని ఉంటారు. ఎనీ ఐడియానా? టుమారోస్ అంట. First, I'll focus on the explanation. అయితే both same, sir. Then only I'm covering in the same program. Purpose, utilization, 90% same. The only one difference available. So common explanation. Sir, I have text boxes, so I have password boxes. Still, why I should go for the check boxes, sir? A very simple reason. So, input elements concept I'm explaining, see that one. We are asking some question. Every input element question and answer only. What is your name? You're typing your name. What is your password? You are typing your password. What is your contact number? You are typing your contact number. Developers asking questions, so users are giving the answers. Question and answer concept input means. So previously we asked enter first name, enter password, enter number, enter age, something like that. Now also I'm going to asking some questions. But these questions, so answers also developer should provide. Compulsory adi. Because questioning style is like that. Example, sir, I'm asking the student which course you want to join. Ask like this. Student immediately answer response. So how many courses you have under? Common adi. Ask which course you want to join. How many courses you go to a restaurant or hotel. Waiter is comes. Sir, order please, sir. Enter. What is your immediate response? What you have under? A compulsory. Then when you want to take the order, first you should show the list of items. That is called as the check boxes and radio buttons. So when you list out all the courses, or when you list out all the colleges list, or when you list out all the food items, user selecting their interested item. So here question coming from developer, question possible options also coming from the developers. That options generally we are designing like as a boxes style. It is called as the checkbox. A yeah. Situational designing. So sometimes we are creating as a boxes like this. These all are called as the checkboxes. Representing one option. User selecting some of the checkboxes from that list. Like that, some scenarios options we are providing as a circular shape like this. And these called as the radio buttons. This circular shape is called as the radio buttons like this. But now user also selecting here. But how many selecting, sir? And only one. So first one is the CB, sir. Chicken biryani. Second one is the RB. Is something biryani. So from these checkboxes, you can select n number of options. From these radio buttons, you can select only one option. But situation is this one. All radio buttons are possible options. All checkboxes also possible options. Question coming from you and possible options also coming from you only. Users simply selecting their interested options like this, it tick symbols. When you click on that one, a tick symbol is comes. Mostly websites you are watching that one. No. Radio buttons also similarly. Radio buttons best example your MCQ questions, multiple choice questions, online test, question available. HTML released in the year of. What will get bottom? 4 years are coming. How many years you are selecting? 2 years you are selecting. Together. Huh? One no. Sure, huh? That is radio buttons. We can select only one option only. This is a scenario. Situations can you list out it, sir? Why not, sir? Suppose checkboxes using options. Select the possible options. What are the options, sir? Suppose you are purchasing the car or you are purchasing the laptop online through online, no? But one small application form is comes. What is your expectations? Color of the car, engine capacity, model of the car. If you selected that option and you went to showroom, got a lot of cars available, but one person receiving, hello sir, welcome sir, how are you sir? One water bottle also giving. Next, what do you want, sir? Car. Which type of car? There are so many models available. So they're giving a small application form. Application formula, some specifications available. When you tick that all your required option, they're suggesting these are the possible cars for your requirements. A general concept. Car showroom, they're the following this one. Even if you go for the laptop showrooms also, by I need one new laptop. What they're asking, which laptop, what is your expected configuration? And మన నార్మల్ షోరూమ్స్ స్మాల్ షాప్స్ కాబట్టి దట్ సిస్టమాటిక్ వే నాట్ అవైలబుల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ వాయిస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ భయా ఐ నీడ్ i7 ప్రాసెసర్ ఐ నీడ్ 8 GB కంపల్సరీ ఐ నీడ్ గ్రాఫిక్ కార్డ్ కంపల్సరీ ఐ నీడ్ 15 inches కంపల్సరీ ఐ నీడ్ టచ్ స్క్రీన్ కంపల్సరీ యువర్ 6 to 7 points you are listing with all these points suitable to 3 models they are placing on the table. If official అయితే the same process through application it is forming. That all the things are checkboxes only. Select your favorite colors, checkbox. Select your favorite bikes, checkbox. Select your favorite something, checkboxes only. Next, radio buttons, sir. Gender selection, MCQ questions, answers selection, married, unmarried selection, nationality selection, religion selection, reservation selection, application forms. Reservation, heading available, side heading. OBC, EBC, physical, something, and 5 to 6 options available. Nationality, options available. You are ticking only one option. Every admission time colleges it is happening. Examination time not available, but admission time columns are compulsory. With situations that one. Because most of the application forms, last item, I accepted all terms and conditions and available. That is checkbox. It is also checkboxes on. So situations also I listed. So checkboxes, radio buttons, 90% same type of concept. The only difference, checkboxes users can select n number of. Radio buttons users can select only one. Online shopping websites lo filters option any remember? Which one you are using? Checkbox or radio button? Checkboxes. When you're booking the buses or trains tickets, bus filterings, what you are using? Checkboxes on. Because if I check the Hyderabad to something, sir, 60-70 buses list is comes. Time waste. Because our 60-70 buses lo non-AC buses available, super luxury available, Volvo buses available, AC available, non-AC available, sleeper available, sitting available, 2+1 models available. You want to see all that buses, sir? You know which type of bus you want to travel it? Why checking of the 60 buses? In that buses, only some buses seats not available. Bus list comes, but seats not available. When you're clicking on that bus, next page, no seats under the time waste. Then only they are providing the filter. Show available seats buses only and show select only sleeper. So sleeper availability is there, then only list comes. Otherwise, no list. Time saving process. So buses filtering, trains filtering, products filtering, all we are using checkboxes only. Enough kada? Situations, more mali digest problem is comes. First I'm creating the checkbox, sir. Which one? My last explanation. Filtering of the buses or trains. Go to IRCTC website, sir. One live scenario I'm taking here. CTC. The last 4 options observed. What is this, sir? And check boxes. This is your current topic. But what it is asking, person with disability or flexible data, available beds, see that one. If beds available, then only to show the trains. Or railway pass concession. Secunderabad, Lagina, chacha. Okay. Understand yourself. Next we'll get the list of trains. Right side. Left side options are comes. Again check boxes. What are the options are? Which train you want to ticket the book the ticket? First class, second class, third class, sleeper, sitting. Options available. Generally, IRCTC website showing all types of trains. But you want to travel only second class AC only. Why checking off all trains time waste? Then only you can check the options left side. Show only second class available trains only. Remaining trains removed, only second class AC available trains only listing. Time saving process, always. So when I click on the search button, next page options are comes, but bad luck it is asking login. We can't do any login. Okay, imagine I'm writing the code, sir. A small heading label. So ticket type, which type of ticket you want to book, the ticket type, line break. Input type equals to checkbox. Input type equals to checkbox. So check once program. Checkbox is ready. Click on it. Selected. Also called as checked. Programming terminology checked. Generally users are calling I selected the option. Deselected. Checked, unchecked. It's original coding. If you want to write any JavaScript on this box, we should write that only. Checked, unchecked, coding part. But human beings pronunciation, I selected this option, I deselected this option. This is the checkbox. But this checkbox representing first class ACA, second class ACA, third class ACA. I know, I know. I already imagine internal. I assumed. What about you guess my assumption? The checkbox created for which class? Huh? Second class. Sure, huh? But I created this one executive chair car. If you are giving any option, confirm I'm taking other option. Guarantee. So user, they need the clarity that we have to provide the clarity also by using the label tag. Okay, I'll show that label tag later. Take the label exactly opposite. Take the first AC. So AC first class label close. But now user also getting clarity and clear. Oh, this checkbox representing the first class AC. In the same style, create how many checkboxes you need that number of times. I need second class AC also, sir. Input type equals to, as usual, checkbox. Label equals to AC second class. Label equals to AC second class. I'm creating the line by line, so using the BR tag. Remaining, just go for copy pasting, sir. 5 total, idea purpose enough, 5 enough. Third one. And what is this, sir? It is called as a sleeper class. But this one, sir, this is called as chair car. 5 types enough. Observe the output once. Say AC first, AC second, AC third, sleeper and chair. Next, some of the websites, if you observe that one, while loading of the page, one or two checkboxes already selected. We are not selected. By default, it is comes with the selection mode. How it is possible, sir? We have a special attribute for that one. We know so many attributes is one more attribute. Which checkbox you are expecting default selection or automatic selection, go to the checkbox. Use one attribute, checked. Checked. Like that, I want to select the two things, sir. Write one more thing, checked. Anywhere you can write, not only first one. Which class you want to default selected. Go to that line, add one attribute, checked. But what happens, sir? When I'm loading the page, two checkboxes already selected. So whenever the page is going to open, they comes with the all default selection. Can I select all, sir? Sir, you just repeat that one to all. IRCTC, all checkbox comes with the selection. Managa search button is there, na? Even once if you click the search button, next page it list of trains is comes. Left side around 10 checkboxes available. 10 checkboxes available around. All 10 checkboxes already selected. Then only it is listing all types of trains. In our trains list, if you see that one, Vande Bharat trains available, Garib Rath trains available, passengers available, expresses also available. Why, sir? Already checkboxes selected by default selection. Next time observe when you are using IRCTs. 100% clearly visible. Left side. I tried to show, but it is asking login. I don't have account to, so no, not possible. If I deselected, sir, when you refresh it, they come back. This is the way to create the checkboxes, sir. In this checkbox, can I use any other attributes, sir? We discussed together. ID you can use, name you can use, other options also you can use. Because my main concept to checkbox is checked. So what are the attributes we completed already? If situational suitable, you can use it. Next radio button I'm going to creating, sir. Next one is radio button. So label marital status. Marital status. Married, unmarried, I'm asking her. We have so many marital statuses set. And generally we are saying married and unmarried, but breakup one is available, widow also one available, separated also one available. Breakup and separated, sir. Breakup different, divorce different, separate different. Divorce and there is no connection. Family wise, properties wise, relationship wise, no connection. Separate and what, sir? And some items are separated, but some items are common. Variety relationship. If you go for in the foreign countries, I think there's too much relationships are available. There's so many models when those all are. So go to Google Mataji once. You can ask the marital statuses. You'll get the lot of things. Specifies whether they are married or not. And see that one. That is one more type of relationships. Separated, register partnership, de facto marital status, living together and I think this one. Registered partnership and contract marriages. The 3 years you are wife and husband, and the next after that you are not wife and husband. Variety is available. Future you can try. మన జనరల్ మన ఇండియన్ కల్చర్ వాట్సారంటే మ్యారీడ్ అన్మ్యారీడ్ మాక్సిమం అయితే డైవర్స్ బట్ అదర్ ప్లేసెస్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఫర్ వెరైటీ unbelievable relationships, so many is there. So we are going to asking these only. What is the status here? Married, widow, separated, divorced. Seen observed here. Separated available plus divorce also available. Well, single available. So I'm going to creating that only here. So first one, input type equals to radio. Input type equals to radio. The original radio button, see the ones look, how it is look like a circle shape is comes. When I check that one, dot symbol is comes. So what I explained already in the paintbrush, the same thing. A radio button opposite label also required. But while working with radio buttons, one rule available. Must and shouldly we have to follow. What is the rule, sir? On yesterday, day before yesterday, we discussed two attributes, ID attribute and name attribute. So that is used for future programming accessing. In that name attribute especially, so radio buttons name attribute compulsory, plus that name should be same for all radio buttons. All radio buttons should have or maintains the same name, compulsory. If I'm not followed that one, sir, radio buttons also we can select all options like as check boxes. More than one radio button we can select it. 100% possible, sir. See that one. I'm taking MS, marital status shortcut. Opposite one label. So what is the label, sir? Single, ready to mingle. After that, life khatam. Mm, mm, yeah, so as late as possible. Mm, mm. Next input type equals to radio once again. Name equals to MS2 I'm selecting. But if you are not using the label or if you use the different labels, it's a both wrong process only. In name available, na? Name not used, sir. Wrong operation. Name used different, sir. Then also wrong. I'll show clearly see that one. It two radio buttons observe. Marital status, single, married. I'm single, but I'm married. So two selected together, it's not possible. What is the problem, sir? Into violation of the guidelines. But if I'm not used the name attributes, sir, then also you'll get the same result only. See that. But this rule you are not explained for checkboxes, sir. Checkbox, this rule not available. So two radio buttons selection 100% wrong thing. So compulsory, if you are interested, not interested, you must follow the same name rule. Same name for all radio buttons. So this is your question. A question bottom, how many radio buttons you are creating? What 10 radio buttons, sir? 10 radio buttons name must be same. 10 radio buttons must be same. But now see the difference. Single selected. Then I married, sir. Automatically first one deselected, see that one. So if you use the different same name, this advantage is comes. When you are selecting the next option, previous option deselected automatically. Name rule not followed. All you can select it. So this is one special rule for the radio buttons. You can create more radio buttons. The radio buttons I'm creating the side by side, just like that. Mostly application forms lo side by side available. Next, one more radio button, NBSP. So single over, married over. Then I'm going to using the widow. MS. Next, one more radio button. This time I'm going to using so divorced. Game separated. So one more radio button separated. The same code I copy paste it and change the heading. So here also almost 5 radio buttons. All 5 radio buttons name must be same. Can I select any one radio button by default as sir? Last option continue here. Check it. I want to select one radio button by default sir. As usual, you can use the checked option. Refresh the page, sir. 5 radio buttons side by side displayed. You can select any one of these only. When you're selecting the second one, previous one deselected automatically because of name rule. See once again, MS1, MS2, MS3, MS4, MS5. 5 radio buttons, 5 different names. What is the status, sir? I'm single, I'm married, I widow, I divorced, I separated. All five statuses. 100% wrong selection. Uh, So rule compulsory, don't neglect. Hmm, hmm. This is the concept, sir, how to create the radio buttons and check boxes. But in this program, one of the old topic I'm reusing here because, sir, that is the procedure mostly followed in application forms. Like application forms, if you observe real life application forms, most of the fields available inside the boxes. What is that box, sir? Our previous tag field set. Recently discussed field set is there, na? That I'm just implementing for knowledge purpose. Program over. Actual program, additional code. It total all these items to place inside the field set. But original real life application forms, how they are creating, that same look is comes. Field set is close. Hmm? One box drawing, a box inside your all items are comes. Next one, if marital status available, na, shift this one to top of the line. So to label place, introduce the legend tag. Label remove it, write the legend. The line break also known it legend. Label place legend. This total tag I placed inside the field set. And this is the real life look. On application forms, SBI bank account application form, Aadhaar card application forms, if you observe, are one type of items so grouping and placing inside the boxes. This is the box type of design. Observed anybody real life applications, box style, not observed. This is the way to design. Field set and legend tag. Field set use it to draw the common box for number of items. Legend use it to set the heading in the top of the box. That's all, sir. This program also completed. Hmm? So moving to the next input element, one more. So program number 25. What is the next item, sir? Single item, sir. Only one item I am covering in this program. And it's very popular. Mostly not used, but it's very popular and special also. What is that, sir? How to upload the files? మనకి some websites KYC forms jobs websites లో మీ resume you have to upload it. KYC forms లో your Aadhaar card address proofs you have to upload it. How to design that uploading of the component, that is I'm explaining here. So file uploading, sir. What is the purpose of this file field, sir? ఇక్కడ clearly given answer, file input element used for uploading of the files. Which type of files, sir? Any type of files. Any type. No problem. Songs, programs, movies, PDFs, documents, images, anything we can upload it. No problem. Restrictions not available. But some websites we found the restrictions, sir. The programmer created that restriction. HTML not providing any restrictions. So what is the use of this file uploading, sir? Resumes files uploading compulsory. But okay, daily I'm posting the programs in Google Class kada, by using which option? This option hai. And upload an option available Google Classroom. When I click on that upload option, open dialog boxes comes. That day, what are the programs I explained? Selecting all the programs and posting. And so notes also we are uploading in Google Classroom by using this concept only. Or in WhatsApp or Facebook or Telegram, you are sharing some photos, quotations to your friends. That is also this concept only, uploading it. But we are calling as a sharing. In the situation, సిచ్యువేషనల్ వైజ్ వాట్సాప్లో షేరింగ్, జీమెయిల్ దీస్ అప్లోడింగ్. ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అవైలబుల్. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ బ్యాంక్ ఆస్కింగ్ నా అప్డేట్ యువర్ కేవైసీ, అప్డేట్ యువర్ కేవైసీ. Aadhaar card KYC required, PAN card KYC required. If you click on KYC link, first they're asking upload your photo. Then they're asking which ID proof you are submitting. Aadhaar card, water ID, or driving license, current bill, one option you have to select and upload the copy of that Aadhaar card. That all things are comes under this only, sir. Recent form tag, one tag I am using here. The file uploading, we have some special settings in the form tag, so then only I'm using it. What is the setting? We'll see. Form tag inside, action attribute, we know that one. Action attribute inside, we have to call your server side program, that is upload.py, Python. Your Python program is going to uploading, or your Java program is going to uploading. If Java program is uploading, then what is the post, this one, sir? Imagine once WhatsApp, you are sharing one photo. First go to the WhatsApp. At a chat box opposite, attach an option is available. When you select that one, gallery is opens. You selected one photo. Selected one photo, selected and directly sharing. No, the photo selection after again you have to click on send button. Send button clicking, a send button or submit button. Photo selection of this optional. So which photo you want to share to your friend, first a photo selection important. A selecting of the file only this one. But really this file who is uploading into server current, that is your backend program or APIs. HTML doesn't uploads into server. HTML providing the provision to select which file you want to upload, and then that's all. So once the file selection after, you can click on the send button, or you can click on the post button, or you can click on again upload button. Then this program is executed. But this program copying your photo from your local hard disk to server's hard disk. And we have here some method also, sir. Something method required. And we have one more special option also here. ENC type also required. Method we discussed yesterday, ENC type first time. End of the program, I'll cover these two. Get a gaps available. Remember gaps available. First create the element input type equals to file. Input type equals to file. Method inside, we have to write something. Encryption type inside, we have to write something. At the end of the program, I'll cover these two gaps. But now focus on the original program. Input type equals to file. See that? You saw these type of things in so many websites. So no file selected, choose your file. When I click on this button, open dialog boxes comes. You can select the file, open. What happens, sir? File selected, and that's all. Next bottom submit button available. My program. WhatsApp lo aithe right side is sent button available. Facebook lo aithe post button available. In my Google Classroom also post button available. As separate button again. So when you click on that button, then this file is really uploading into servers. Where is the button, sir? At the bottom of the program, the button is comes. Input type equals to submit. Value of the button is upload. My program. Some programs here post available. Some programs here send available. Some programs here share available. It depends upon the situation. Headings are changing. So I'm going to writing upload. This button separate. So select the file here. Then click on this button that calls one backend program. The backend program sending this file to your requested contact number, your requested email ID, your requested server, whatever it may be. Okay, now back to this one, sir. But which type of files I can upload here, sir? Any type of file, sir. HTML program, C program, Java programs, .NET programs, Python programs, MS Word documents, PDF files, PowerPoint files, Excel sheet files, songs, movies, pictures, any type of picture, no restrictions. And indirectly, all types of files, sir. See that I'm selecting our HTML, allowed. Back, go to our images folder, select any of the image, JPG, allowed. Go to your files folder, ఇక్కడ songs and movies available కదా. I selected MP4, allowed. Select PDF file, allowed. Select MS Word document file, go to my personal folder. All types of files allowed. And what is the size limit, sir? No limit. 1 petabyte of file also you can upload it. No restriction. And how many files we can upload it, sir? Only one file. That is restriction available. So total 3 points I said. What is first point? Any type of file. Second point, no size restriction. Third point, number of files. Number of files is only one. No restriction in the type, no restriction in the size, but restriction in count. Count in the sense number of files. One file we can upload it. Which files are? Any type. What is the size of these files are? Unlimited. Zettabytes also you can handle. Terabytes next petabytes, petabytes next exabytes, exabytes next zettabytes. That also you can upload it. This is the default nature of the file. All types of files, any size, but number of files is only one. Next, input type equals to file. One more. Input type equals to file. But sir, last one, super it is working, but number of files one only allowing, sir. But I want to select the 4 or 5 files at a time, sir. Yes, in WhatsApp you can share number of photos at a time. Even daily in Google Classroom also 3 programs at a time I am posting. At that day, how many programs available at a time I am posting, not one by one, one by one at a uploading nodes 1 hour it will takes. Because not one batch kada. Morning to evening continuously 5 batches available. Every batch 3-4 programs over 20 programs. Well, 20 programs 2 times I had to post it. Online separate, well, offline separate. My half of the life only uploading is. So then only they're allowing at a time to select the any number of files. How many files, sir? It depends upon the situation, sir. But if Google Classroom is there, no? How many programs I can post at a time, sir? And 20 programs a maximum. A restriction available. Size restriction, no. 1 terabyte also you can post if space available. But number of files, number of programs is 20 only. If I select the more than 20, Google showing the error. Directly error message displaying. Like that, some websites restrictions available. But WhatsApp, how many photos you can share at a time? 30. Sure, Google Classroom అయితే 20. WhatsApp, you are WhatsApp specialist కదా you are. Say 30 photos at a time. No idea, na. Daily WhatsApp using here. But no idea how. 30. No idea. At least 4-5 years onwards WhatsApp using. Huh? No idea. Okay, remaining candidates అయితే 30 photos at a time. 30 or 36? 30. 30. 30s, 36. Actually, 90% of people they are feeling WhatsApp is allows to upload only 30 photos at a time, sir. No, 100 photos you can upload at a time. WhatsApp supporting 100 photos also. I think you are not tried in that way. 100 photos supported. Not now. Last 2 years onwards. It's not new feature. 2023 onwards, it is supporting the that 100 photos to upload at a time. It's 2025. See that how much backward we are. 2023, first time WhatsApp supported to upload the 100 photos. 2023 before WhatsApp supporting 30 photos, as per you said. And up to 2022, 30 photos only. But from 2023 onwards, 100 photos. At a time, you can share it. No objections. So 2 years backward. Hmm? Hmm. అట్లీస్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ 2-3 members నోస్ అసలు ఆఫ్లైన్ అయితే నథింగ్ అనుకుంటా ఆల్ ఆర్ 30 హూ సెడ్ కిషోర్ గణేష్ అప్డేటెడ్ అనమాట 100% సార్ నో డౌట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్టర్ టెస్టింగ్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ అండ్ డేట్ ఆల్సో ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ కదా 2023 ఆన్వర్డ్స్ వాట్సాప్ అప్లోడెడ్ 100 photos at a time. I uploaded in 2023 100 photos at a time. So situational wise restrictions are changing. Google Classroom 20 photos, WhatsApp 30 photos. If you go for any other apps, maybe other apps also restriction count compulsory. అది 50 or 100 depends upon the app capacities అంతే. But we don't know all apps కాబట్టి we can't discuss that one. Idea purpose to Google 20, WhatsApp 100. మరి how that restriction is comes sir? అది డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఫస్ట్ మై ఇంటెన్షన్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్ అప్లోడింగ్ పాసిబుల్. హౌ సార్ అంటే వీ కెన్ రైట్ హియర్ మల్టిపుల్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్. మల్టిపుల్ మీనింగ్ సార్ అలో టు అప్లోడ్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్. It allows to upload the multiple files. How many sir? Restriction not available. 1000 files also you can upload at a time. My program allowing 1000 files also, 2000 files also. No limit. Any number of files, any type of files, any size also. 1 terabyte, 1 petabyte, your interest. So first one to last one, the only difference, this is only one file. This is n number of files. Or 10,000 files possible, sir. Why 10,000 only? Add one more zero. 1 lakh also possible. So go and check it, sir. But the buttons heading changed. Observe that one. File and files, because that is one no, and this is more than one. So giving the clarity to users. Select it. Go to one folder. Suppose what are the files available? Here I am selecting all files. Yes, 160 files. That are the names of the 160 files. 160 files I selected. It's uploading 160 files also. This is multiple option. In that 160 files, some are the HTML programs, some are the Java programs, some are the Python programs. No problem. Some are the images available. No problem. But you said that few minutes back, some websites setting the limit 20, 30, 100 like that, sir. Yes, we can also set the limit, sir, but 5 lines of JavaScript code is required. If you want to set the number of files restriction, we have to write 5 lines of JavaScript program. So HTML అయితే there is no option. Next, one more. Input type equals to file. But go to Monster and I found it. Naukri, Glassdoor, Indeed, Freshers World. What is this all, sir? Jobs portals. Jobs websites hai kada? Matrimony websites. Jobs websites. In that jobs websites, when you are creating the account, you have to fill all your details first. Your name, email ID, contact name. End of the process, you have to upload your resume also. Can I upload the resume in any format or particular formats, sir? Which formats? MP4 and MP3. అంతే కదా? PDF format. Any other option or only PDF? document. MS Word document or PDF. These two supported. A few websites, third model also supported. RTF, rich text format. RTF, rich text format. Few websites. But 90% of the websites resumes compulsory either PDF format or document format. But okay, what happening, sir? File type restriction available. File types they are restricting. So how to restrict that files types, sir? JavaScript not necessary, HTML available. Size of the file restriction, JavaScript required. Number of files restriction, JavaScript required. But type of the files restriction, HTML providing direct option, that is accept. Accept means take this one. Which one? These type of files only. What are the type of files, sir? .pdf. So what is meaning of this one, sir? Accept only PDF files. Can I write only HTML, sir? Which type of files you want to upload? Write that one. .html. Now we can upload only HTML programs. .java. We can upload only Java programs. Which extension? .mp3. We can upload only songs. .jpg. We can upload only images. But while filling the KYC form, so your ID proof, ID, photo you have to upload. Which format? Image format only. So which format required for your program? Write that format here. But your jobs websites, so two formats accepting, sir. That is PDF, comma, .docx. Use the comma, write the second extension. Again, use the comma, third, four, five, six, any number of types you can write. But comma compulsory, don't neglect. .pdf, comma, .doc, comma, dot something, dot something, dot something, dot something. Now I'm giving instruction to browser. A browser allow the files to upload only PDFs and MS Word files only. Working, sir. 2%, 200% working, sir. No problem. Click on the third button. Select your folder. HTML 9am. Difference observed. Already 4 times I executed the program. Difference observed. What is? Few minutes back when I select this folder, all our previous programs listing here. But now it is not listing. And a filtering done successfully. PDF files only displaying, other files not displaying. Where is the PDF file, sir? Mana files folder available. If files folder, okay. First select the images folder. Images folder inside we have images or not? So many images available, but open it. Why, sir? Filtering. Only PDFs is showing. Back. Select the files folder. One file displaying. But in the same files folder, we have songs, we have movies also. The accept attribute perfectly working. So select the PDF. But documents, why not showing, sir? In our folder, no MS Word documents. You can go for my personal folder, SK, Sheikh Mastan Wali. Open this folder, scroll down. I have a lot of MS Word. Here I have the lot of MS Word files. So select any of this, open. So this is how to accept the different types of files. How to allow the multiple files. Only two options missing. Option number one, how to set the number of files. 10 files, 5 files. So why the number of files missing, sir? Because it's a part of the JavaScript. I'm clearly mentioning it's a part of the JavaScript. Right? Next, I have doubts that. No, all of you KYC form updation, Aadhaar card KYC, PAN card. When you are uploading that one, it is asking upload your photo. I selected 1 GB of my photo size. Uploading or not uploading? 1 GB my photo size. Not upload. And size limit available. They're allowing maybe 3 MB or 5 MB. I'm mentioning also clearly. Your photo size should not exceed this size. Like the size of the file also available. The size of the file also available. So that is also through JavaScript only we have to do it. So two things in HTML, how to filter the files and how to restrict the file types and how to allow the multiple files. That is HTML providing. How to restrict the number of files, how to restrict the size file, that is JavaScript providing. So for this one, 3 lines of code. For this one, 4 lines of code. If you write the 7 lines of JavaScript, this also we can done. No problem. 100% allowed. Or we are developing a sir. On JavaScript, we are writing this program. You don't worry. 100% we are discussing this program in JavaScript. Right now, it's not possible. Because if I write it also, you'll get the doubts. Hmm? We don't know JavaScript spelling also. Kada. Just future safety I'm mentioning. If I'm not mentioning that one, confirmly I'm getting questions. Guarantee. So then only I clearly informed here. Next, another guideline, sir, comes to the form tag. Method equals to, which method I have to use, sir? Post compulsory. Like yesterday I explained that point. Last point, observe that one. Get method supports only string data type, but post method supports the string plus binary. Binary means files. Last point in yesterday's session. By mistake, if I upload the get, if I use it the get, still file uploading. Uploading. What it is uploading, I'll show it. Here I selected some program names. Select to your folder. Example one. .html. Upload it. Uploading. And remaining program also completed. File uploading. What is uploading, sir? Example one.html and English word is there, no? That is uploading. And what is that one, sir? File name uploading, but file internal matter not posted to server. Because get can send only string. File name string only. File name sending. File content here only. But this is sending to server. This is well in client machine only. Hmm? So compulsory post. Next second attribute. First time we are using, sir. ENC type. Full form, sir. Encryption type. ENC, encryption type. Encryption type. But we are dealing the binary data, sir. So binary data we have to send in encrypted format. And it's not string. The whole data should be converted into binary format 0s and 1, then encrypt the data and send to the server for security reasons. That encryption type we are mentioning here. So what is your encryption type, sir? Multi-part / form data. Encryption type equals to multi-part / form data. Your form contains any uploading or any sharing or any attachment options. This property must and shouldly you have to use. I'm not interested, sir. Your interest who needs, sir? Your interest is not important. Program rules is important. So method post compulsory, encryption type, multi-part form data. Predefined, not my personal, predefined. What is the meaning of this one, sir? My form contains the multiple parts of data. My form contains the multiple types of data. Yes, I have some string data and I have some binary data also that I'm informing to browser. When you inform that one, browser doing the further proceedings and sending to successfully to server. If I'm not informed this one, sir, your data sending in the string format only again. Again, string format only sending. So properly files not uploaded. So fixed, sir. Your interest, you know, you don't know, not necessary. Your web page contains any uploading option. Your web page contains any attachment option. Your web page contains any sharing option. Your website page contains any posting. Facebook lo we are posting the Insta we are posting a posting options. These two settings must 200%. No more discussions. I don't like, I don't want to, I'm not interested, silly things. Programs and if these two missing, sir, your file's not uploaded. Simple thing. Hmm. So method post to encryption type multipart slash form data. My form contains the different types of data. That is means text contains plus also binary data contains. And send the data in the encrypted format to servers. This is one more point, sir. So file uploading and the related settings also I did here. Some settings pending that comes under the JavaScript. And moving to the next component, sir. So this program, what I'm going to explaining input elements, these are the special elements. What is that much of is special, sir? What are the things we completed till today? These all are old versions, current versions, both supporting. First one, text box, now file uploading. All these are available in every HTML version. But coming explanations, new concepts of HTML. HTML5 released features. Old versions, these concepts are not available. Total 8 types of items I'm going to explaining. These 8 types HTML newly introduced in the 5 version. I clearly mentioned that one. Single program, 8 items I'm going to covering. Not one or two. 8 input elements covering in the same program. And those all are HTML5 input elements that I'm writing clearly here. HTML5 input elements and also called as semantic elements. HTML5 input elements as well as semantic elements. Can you list out those things just an idea purposes, sir? Okay, first I'm listing, then I'll start the one by one. One of the element email ID. Email. One more is URL. URL. One more is date, time. What I'm going to covering first list giving, then I start the program. Time, date, week, month, month, color, color, and button. These are the 8 items I'm going to covering in this program. Actually, 8 I listed, but final program 9 items comes. One item extra bonus. Buy 8, get one free. So all these are new input elements. So first one, email ID I'm going to explaining, sir. Neatly I'm going to following one form. Why form text, sir? Lot of items I'm using other, so one application form feeling is comes. Plus, a box is really that input particular data and allowing or not. Clarity required. So if you want to check that one, submit button compulsory. But email box I created. I created type equals to email. This box allows to type only email IDs. But really it is allowing the email IDs and not how we can get it, sir. When you are submitting the data, errors are comes. If you did any mistake in the data entry, even the number box also, if you did any mistake by the user, While submission of the data, error messages neatly displayed in the special boxes or boxes displaying by the browser itself. But when the errors are displaying, sir, and if when you press the submit button, if I want to press the submit button, I need the form tag also. So form tag why I'm using, sir, for demonstration of errors also. And no, sir, light, sir, errors we can manage, we can understand, sir, and no need to use the form tag. Your choice. You'll manage it, huh? Hmm? మనకి 2 days back, I think day before yesterday, no, sir, number box we created. And a limit we set 0 to 1000. But it is allowed to type the 5000 or 6000. When I type the 5000, error message displaying. But when, sir, when the mouse is comes, and that error message is also very small letter. But if you use the form tag, the same error message with makeup it is displaying. That day you saw the without makeup. Today you are seeing the same madam with makeup. Hmm? Big size letters, especially yellow color box on small triangle shape like this for the attractive format designing. But that makeup is applied only with the form tags only. So, okay, form tag, that is the reason why I'm using for demonstration of errors also. Action equals to something test dot ASP or PHP. Yeah, just for formality, sir. Don't expect that program, sir. Last line of form tag is close. The last line. The big program, eight items I have to cover together. So time taken, big program. Last once again, input to type equals to submit. This is outline, sir. We can check it. Form tag internally available. When you click on this submit button, form tag sending the data to the program. See that one. We have error message. Why, sir? Test.php not developed. Without any content also you can submit. For submission of that one, form or submit button enough. Remaining things not necessary. Okay, all running explanations because all these elements are the small elements. So separately, I'm not explaining running explanations only. And when I'm writing the program, I'm explaining the details about that one. Previous all items, first theory explained, then program covered. That much of scene no need, sir, because every item 1 to 2 points available. First label for EM, proper way I'm writing the code. And I'm asking the user enter email ID. Label close. This is old concept only. Input to type equals to email. ID equals to EM. Interest name also EM. The first new element, new input element, sir. Input to type equals to email. Type equals to text box, so type equals to password box, so type equals to number box. Like that, one more type equals to email. What is the special, sir? First see the output. First see the output. A box observation, same as to previous box or not? Same height to, same width to, same color to, same line. But this box allows to type only email IDs. That is the special of this one. When I use the type equals to number, it allows to type only numbers. And now it is allows to type only email IDs. By mistake, if I type the other than email ID, sir, whenever you click the submit button, browser showing the error. Itself showing error. Now type something here. I'm typing my name, Shiva. Name different, email ID different. Both not same. Hmm? Now click the submit. This is specially designed error message. 2 days back, same error message with the small letters and small box you saw. Now this box is clearly visible to users. So please include an at the rate symbol in the email ID. So Shiva is missing the at the rate. The browser knows very well it's not. Observe na this message, 2 days back we saw. But users watching that message is not possible. Users watching this message is possible. So you just click on the submit button, you will get the error message. I'm typing some numbers. Click the submit button. Error is comes. So you want to watch these errors very clearly. Form tag submit button compulsory. Only submit button also no use. Form tag with the submit button required. Now type the email ID, sir. Yes at the rate of gmail.com. It is a perfect email ID. Submit. This is not our program error. Next program not developed together, that error. Our program is successfully completed. Remove the at the rate. Yes available, Gmail available, .com also available, but at the rate not available. Error or not? Yes. That is, sir, input type equals to email. It creates one more box, but the box allows to type only email IDs. That is single line explanation means. Next one, sir, URL. URL. So label for UR, enter URL, label close, line break. Input to type equals to URL. ID equals to UR and name equals to UR. Line break. So second item, sir, type equals to URL. Same white color box, one more design. Same width, same height, same color, same size, same border, as it is look. But this box allows to type only URLs. And website addresses available, na, that addresses only we can type. So type equals to URL allows to type only addresses of the websites. Except the website address, if you type anything, error comes. Check it, sir. Submit. Please enter URLs. The form tag purpose, you got it together now. This error message clearly displaying. I'm typing the email ID, sir. You can type it, no problem. But error, email ID different, URL is different. Both are nodes. But what is URL, sir? http://www.google.com. This is URL. Now submit it, sir. It's sending successfully. Your data visible also here. Clearly see that one. But now I'm deleting the HTTP. Allowed or not allowed? Huh? Sure, huh? Very good. URLs must start with the protocol. Protocol not available, you are not URL. Error. Next I'm typing HTTP and www deleting, sir. Allowed or not allowed, sir? Allowed. This one allowed. Because www is not compulsory, but protocol is compulsory. Allowed. Why www not compulsory, sir? And some of the websites www not using, sir. Personal servers are using. Not some of the websites. Our Naresh IT website. If you check the Naresh IT website, before www not available, directly http://nareshit.com. Special is special. See that. Observe the URL. Is there any www? Maybe you are feeling you are not typed, sir. If I'm not typed, also browser attaching here. See the Google. What I typed google.com only, but www comes. See that one. but this website no doubt. So how it is possible, sir? That depends upon the servers. Depends upon the servers. A very less scenario, sir. 80% of the websites starting www available, or 20% of the websites they're using their own servers, sir. Mostly which cases will get like this, sir, and on a WordPress available కదా, one of the automation tool, WordPress. WORDPRESS, WordPress. Is one of the automation tools, sir, to develop the websites. Hassle-free WordPress. For what purpose? To build and grow any website. So special tool this one. It's not free tool. It's a paid tool only. What happens, sir? Websites we can design with the plug and play operation. And without writing the code. Without writing the code, we can develop the plug and play operations as a WordPress. In WordPress mostly developed websites, they are using their own server. See that? Is there any www? No. అది based on the servers అన్నమాట. One of the automation tool used for developing the web applications or websites easiest way. Plug and play operations. But it's a licensed software, not free. So www is not compulsory, sir, but HTTP is compulsory. Okay, URL, second one is over. Next one, label for M. What we have to do here, sir? Select month. Select month. I'm asking the user to select month. Month selection. Day selection, sir. I'm explaining that also. First month, next week, and then day selection. So input to type equals to month. ID equals to M. Name equals to M. Line break. ID equals to M. Name equals to M. Line break. So one more input element created, sir. One more input element. But this allows to select only month name. Or names, sir. System displaying the 12-month names. Year displaying. In that year, which month you want to select, that is also displaying. So first select the year. When you select the year, 12 months listing, which month you require, the month you can select it. Ready-made, you don't need to type it. It actually to fill in the blanks available. Observed. First dash you can type the month, sir. Second dash you can type the year. So 2025 January month. But typing no need. Last small icon is there. Click on this one. Ready-made calendar is comes. Ready-made calendar comes. The years also available. So 2020 February month. Ready-made. So first select the year 2014 March month. How many years it is showing, sir? How many years you need? 1000, huh? తీసుకోపో. Enjoy. Take it. Showing 10,000 years calendar available. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, sir. It having the inbuilt to 10,000 years calendar. So if you have energy and patience, scroll this one. 5, 10 minutes after 10,000 years also comes. No problem. The patience is required. Because hold it together. Already we reached to 2,300. 2,300 into your next to sixth generation. Every 20, 25 years next generation. Next is your after you sixth generation entered already. So 200 sorry, 2364th year, February month. So there is no problem about the dates. 0001 year to 9999 years it is supported. And approximately 10,000 years ready-made calendar is available. This is about the month selection. Like that, we have the week selection, those also available. Label for W. And I'm asking the user, select the week. Select week. Input type equals to week. Input type equals to week. ID equals to W, name equals to W, and line break. So what is this, sir? How we selected the month? The same way we can select the week also. The week means 7 days. In 1 year, how many weeks available? Any idea? Per year? Huh? 52 weeks, 3 days, or 52 weeks, 2 days comes. 52 weeks, 2 days, normal years. 52 weeks, 3 days, leap year. And approximately 52 and a half weeks. 52 and a half weeks, which week you are interested, that week you can select. When I select 1 week, 7 days is selected. 1 week equivalents to 7 days, 7 days is selected. Which is 7 days it is selecting also clearly showing, sir. Select week, opposite two dashes available. You can type the week number here and you can type the week a year. So 2026, select the third week. In 2026, select the third week. Ready-made calendar is there. Which dates they selected? Third week I said together. Third week in the sense January 12 to January 18. Reason 1 to 3 first week completed. 4 to 10, 11 second week. Then 12 to 18 third week. మన calendar sir. ఇక్కడ Sunday to Saturday available కదా. This is first week. This is second week. This is third week. Even when you are moving also, see that when I'm moving my mouse pointer also, 7 days selecting observed together. This is the whole week selection. This is whole month selection. So total month to total week, I don't want, sir. I want to select the particular day, sir. That is our official control. Ivi unofficial affinity, these are the chota controls, sir. That is the main control. Program not completed, sir. Remaining things next session I'll complete. Thank you all. Online candidates, any questions? Your interest, sir. ID name writing anata your choice అది అది that I used as a dummy program, but this is used as a professional way I designed అంతే.
మధ్యలో పెట్టేస్తుంది చదువుతారు కదా డాట్స్ గా మాట్లాడే ఇక్కడ నేను చేసిన దాంట్లో అది సైడ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది సార్.
నేను ఆల్రెడీ రిలేషన్ చెప్పానమ్మా క్లాస్ ఒక డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ లోపల పెట్టాలి అంటే లోపల పెట్టాలి ఆ డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ పెట్టాలి దీని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఈ డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇంకొక డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ లోపల ఆ సెకండ్ డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ ని అలైన్ సెట్ ఒక డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్స్ లో డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ ఇక్కడ అలైన్ సెంటర్ ఉంటారు లోపల ఇంకో డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్ దీనికి పెట్టి ఉండాలి దీని లోపల ఇంకొక ట్యాగ్ రావాలి ఐడికి దేనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఫ్యూచర్
ఏమని తిరిగినప్పుడు తత్వాల్లో మనం ఏదైతే యూజర్ అనేది టైప్ చేస్తామో అది తత్వాల్లో అది కనిపిస్తుంది సార్ వెక్టర్ ని యూజ్ చేసినా సేమ్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది అందులో
దేనికి దానికి సంబంధం లేదు కదా
అంటే డిస్ప్లే పర్పస్ అని
ఏది మెథడ్ మీకు టైప్ చేసేటప్పుడు సజెషన్స్ వస్తాయి అని చెప్పాను పోస్ట్ మెథడ్ సజెషన్స్ రావు అంటే మీరు నేమ్ వాడినా ఐడి వాడినా పోస్ట్ మెథడ్ అప్పుడు సజెషన్స్ రావు గెట్ మెథడ్ అయితే సజెషన్స్ వస్తాయి అదే కదా మన డిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి ఫ్యూచర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఐడి నేమ్ చెప్పాను కదా ఆ రోజు అది నెక్స్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ లో మీరు నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కాదు నెక్స్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ లో మీరు వాడతారు మీరు మీ డేటాని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్కి పంపిస్తే కనుక బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఈ ఐడి నేమ్ ద్వారా మీ డేటాని కలెక్ట్ చేస్తుందని చెప్పారు అక్కడ మీరు డేటాని కలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఇక్కడ మనం ఐడీస్ పెట్టి పంపిస్తాం నేను శివకుమార్ అని పంపిస్తున్నాను శివకుమార్ అనేది ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ లో పంపించాను ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ ఉండాలి అది రెఫరెన్స్ లేకపోతే మన నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ శివకుమార్ ని యాక్సెస్ చేయాలంటే ఏ పేరుతో పిలవాలి శివకుమార్ అనేది ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ అదొక మెమరీ బ్లాక్ లో ఉంది మెమరీ బ్లాక్ నేమ్ ఏంటి నాకు తెలియదు మరి ఇప్పుడు ఆ డేటా నేను ఎలా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటాను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలంటే ఒక ఐడెంటిఫైర్ ఉండాలి ఐడెంటిఫైర్ అనేది ఐదర్ ఐడి కానీ అవ్వచ్చు లేదా నేమ్ కానీ అవ్వచ్చు కొన్ని టెక్నాలజీస్ ఐడి వాడుతుంది కొన్ని టెక్నాలజీస్ నేమ్ వాడుతుంది అది ఏది వాడుతుందో మనకు ఈరోజు తెలియదు కదా ఎందుకంటే మనం ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ వాళ్ళు ఏం వాడుతున్నారో నాకు తెలియదు కదా అందుకే నేను రెండు పెడతాను ఎవరికి కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు వాడుకుంటాం మనం రెండు పెట్టాలి ఐడి కావాల్సిన ఐడి వాడుకుంటాడు నేమ్ కావాల్సిన నేమ్ వాడుతాడు వాళ్ళు ఏం వాడుకుంటారో నాకు తెలియదు ఏదైనా ఒక పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఏదైనా ఒకటి పెట్టారనుకోండి వాడికి రెండోది కావాలంటే మీరు పెట్టింది వాడికి వద్దు కోడి కావాలి ఏం చేస్తారు రెండు పెట్టాలి ఎందుకంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో బ్యాక్ అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసేవాడు ఏం ఆలోచిస్తాడో మనకు తెలుసు వాడు ఏ టెక్నాలజీ మనకు తెలుసు మరి మనం ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి
నేమ్ పెట్టుకుంటేనే సచివాలయం ఐడి
అది టెక్నాలజీని బట్టి ఉంటుంది జావా అయితే ఒకలాగా ఉంటుంది డాట్ అయితే ఒకలాగా ఉంటుంది రెండు వస్తాయి కానీ అది మీరు వాడే టెక్నాలజీ కొత్త సార్